Welcome to the outdoor display showroom. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Monsoon. Now the Monsoon is a low-cost double-sided A-frame. It's available in a range of 3 different sizes. We do a 1.25 metre wide, a 2.5 metre wide and a 3 metre wide frame. It comes supplied double-sided, so it comes complete with a frame, bungee cords and ground peg to peg it into the grass. Can be used single-sided, obviously, if required. Great product for outdoor use, sporting events, retail solutions, car dealerships. If you want to create a large graphic area for a low-cost solution, then Monsoon is the product for you. In stock and ready, available now. Thanks for watching and see you soon.